Caveman Keto here. I just got my July KetoKrate. I thought I'd show you what's inside. Swipe up. First up, from Keto Farms, we have maple candied pecans, 1 gram net carbs. Next we have a bar for 5 net carbs. It's toasted coconut from Dang Bar. Next is a baking mix. This is from Keto & Company. It's a banana caramel keto muffin mix, 1.8 grams per muffin. That sounds yummy. From Ultima, we have a sample pack of different additives that can go in a drink, like a water cup. 0 carbs, 0 sugar. From Proudly Pure, we have Parmesan crisps, 1 gram net carb per. Here we have our first meat product. This is Ayoba Traditional. It's Biltong. I'm probably pronouncing that completely wrong. 1 gram net carb. Another meat bar. This time it's a DNX grass-fed beef. I believe it's 1 net carb. This one I'm most excited about. It's a ketobars.com chocolate peanut butter, and it's 3 net carbs. Last and certainly not least, from Sweet Logic, is a red velvet mug cake. Just add water, 4 net carbs. That one sounds awesome. That's it, folks. This is the July KetoKrate. Again, swipe up for 15% off your first box.